Great seeing you here in this new video, and in this video we're going to extrapolate to the final cost of the project. So we're going to extrapolate the costs, but we're going to use the same principle like we did with the extrapolation of the time, and we are going to look at the initial situation, the situation at time t. In our case it will be period 6. We will consider the slope of the CPI and the actual cost, and then we also are going to extrapolate the cost, and we find the estimate at completion in this case. So this is only one estimate at completion. We will find other estimates at completion later on in these videos. So let's have a look at the situation at time t. At time t, in our case, it's period 6. We already know that we had the earned value of period 6, which is 40. The planned value is 60. And we have an actual cost at period 6, which is 55k. So what we're going to do, we're going to use that to create the slope and to extrapolate like we did before. So we have here the actual cost also with the yellow line, and with this yellow line I can calculate the slope of the actual cost, which is again the rise divided by the run, which is 55 divided by 6, and we can find the CPI here, which is the earned value divided by the actual cost, which is 40 divided by 55, which is approximately equal to 0.73. Now, when we're extrapolating the costs, we must look at the different elements. We're going to look at period 6. We have the earned value at this period, and we use that to find the estimated completion time of the revised completion time of the project. And we do the same thing now. We assume, or we're going to create the deliverables until all the deliverables have been created, and we're going to do that with the same efficiency. This results in the fact that we're going to extend the actual cost curve until the project is completed. We're using the same slope because we're assuming the same efficiency, and we can find the new cost of the project where the cost line intersects with the timeline. In our case, we know that the project is completing at period 15, so we continue till we cross the RTD. So here we see the extrapolation of the timeline. EV continues till we reach the budget at completion. It means that all the work has been done. And now we do the same for the actual cost, and we find in our case, when we would do the calculations, an estimate at completion which is equal to 130k. So this is the simplified principle of how this works. I use the straight line as an S-curve, so it gives you an easier overview. We normally can do that with an S-curve also, that's not an issue, but it shows you how the formulas work, and we can deduct the formulas very quickly from this. We're not going to do that, but it's a mathematical way how we can also find the estimate at completion for this case with the linear extrapolation using some simple mathematical formulas. That's it for the actual cost. We're going to continue with the formulas and the different estimates at completion that we can define in the following videos. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next videos. Bye bye.